Hey guys, do you want to learn the easiest 1-minute strategy for binary options? Stay tuned to find out. The broker I'm using today is Pocket Options. I'll have a link in the description to sign up for a free account with a 100% bonus to your account. Now for the settings of the strategy. First, you'll need to be on candlesticks. Now go to Indicators and pick Bollinger Bands. In the settings, go to Period and choose 20, and in Deviation, choose 2. Now go back to Indicators, choose RSI and Stochastic Oscillator. We can leave the RSI alone. In Settings on the Stochastic Oscillator, go to Styles and change the 80 and 20 to 90 and 10. I like to add a moving average to help me find trend. I go with the 50 SMA. I also like to make it white and a little bolder so it stands out. To find a setup, look for strong levels of support and resistance on the 5-minute time frame. Then jump down to the 30-second time frame. When the stochastic is in the overbought or oversold, that is a good signal that we are coming back down or up. We also want to look at the Bollinger Bands to see if we have broken the outer limits. The more confluences we can find, the stronger the setup. Once we find a good setup, we can go over the entry model. I enter for 1 minute, and with 1 to 1.5% of my capital per entry, which allows me to enter more than once if the candle goes higher or lower. I do not recommend entering more than 5% of your capital per setup. You do not want to chase a trade and lose more than you can handle. Here are some live trades from my last session. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And I'll see you in the next one.